Good morning and welcome to Ask Aya. Dito ko sasagutin ang mga tanong na pinapadala ninyo sa aming Facebook page. So, simulan na natin agad. Unang-una, galing kay Miss Rhea Anduyong. She asks, "Hi Aya, what is estate planning?" Well, Miss Rhea, estate planning is the process na ginagawa natin para yung mga assets na naipundar natin ay maayos na matransfer sa mga anak o heirs natin. Ito ay usually ginagawa pag medyo middle-aged or older na tayo para yung mga taxes, yung mga bahay, yung mga lupa, mga investments natin naaayos. So we know kung kaninong anak mapupunta o sino mag-aalaga ng mga assets na naipon natin. It's a pretty complicated process, so it's very good na kung gagawin mo to, kumuha ka talaga ng legal help dahil maraming legalities ang kailangan gawin pag mag-estate planning tayo. Next question we have from Miss Joy Celine. She asks, "Hi Aya, paano nagkakaroon ng compounding interest ang mutual fund?" Compounding interest simply means na yung interest na kinita ng investment mo is also earning interest. So in a mutual fund, what happens is, so nag-invest ka na. Yung in-invest mo na pera, pinambili yon ng shares. Let's say if it's an equity fund, bumili siya ng shares. Pag umakyat ngayon yung presyo ng shares, the fund manager will sell it. So binenta na niya, sabihin mo, binili niya ng 5 pesos, binenta niya at 6 pesos. Yung 6 pesos na pinagbentahan, papasok yan ngayon doon uli sa fund, pambibili uli yan ng bagong shares. So in essence, imbis na 5 pesos lang ngayon yung gumagalaw para bumili ng shares, 6 na piso yan. Next, from Tadeo Angkaw. Tanong naman niya, "Hi Aya, ano mas mabuti, EIP o trading? Or pwedeng pagsabihin kung gusto kong kumita ng mabilis?" To begin with, EIP is never fast. Matagalan ng EIP. So if you're looking for quick money, hindi ka talaga nag-EIP. However, trading, sige, mas mabilis ng ang pera dyan. Pero ang problema, by January of next year, ang trading hours natin mula 9:30 ng umaga hanggang alas 3 ng hapon. And kung nagtre-trading ka, dapat nakatutok ka sa market. Hindi pwede yung titignan-tignan mo lang, tapos aalis ka, magtratrabaho ka. Madaling malugi pag ganun ang usapan. So really, kung gusto mo na mabilis, dapat trading. Pero kung magte-trading ka, tandaan, 9:30 ng umaga hanggang alas 3, dapat nakatutok ka sa stock market. Kaya mo ba yun? Now from Miss Joy Villaber, she asks, "Hi Aya, kailangan ba talaga namin magsakripisyo para mag-invest?" Well Joy, yes. Unless you have a lot of money, syempre, whatever money you put towards investing, you can very easily buy something that you will enjoy here and now. Or sabihin nga natin, imbis na mag-invest ka, out of town ka na lang. If you're setting aside, sabihin natin 5-10,000 a month, yung 5 or 10,000 mo, pwede ka na rin lumabas na, pwede kang gumimik, pwede kang bumili ng kung ano-ano. So of course, whenever you invest, there is a sacrifice. That is really what makes investing difficult. Kasi kung madali talaga yan, we'd all be doing it. But yun ang magpapahirap eh. Kasi nga, imbis na bilhin mo yung something that will make you happy right here and now, you invest in something that may or may not work out. That's the risk, and that's the fear that everyone has to accept if they're going to invest. And this is probably the last question we have for the first season of Pesos and Cents. It comes from our own director, Mr. Harold Soon. Sir Aya, may season 2 po ba tayo? Well, at this point, all I can say is we hope so. We hope you have enjoyed what we have been doing here. And of course, the main question now is if you'll be able to once again find partners who will support us for a second season. So, this is, I guess, the last Ask Aya for Season 1. I hope marami kayong natutunan. At kung may tanong pa rin kayo, pwede nyo pa rin lagay sa Facebook page namin at sasagutin pa rin namin yon. Diyan na po nagtatapos ang Season 1 ng Pesos and Cents. We hope over the past 3 months, may natutunan kayo sa amin at kung meron man, please feel free to share it to your friends and family. Pansamantala muna kami magpapaalam, but don't worry, nandyan pa rin ang mga free seminars ng citiseconline.com, ang aming YouTube channel at syempre, ang Facebook page namin kung gusto nyo kaming bisitahin. So until next time, this has been Aya Laraya, Smart Investing everyone!